Our software includes an embedded library where you can access all uploaded products and generated images. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. To open it, let's go to the top right corner and click Library. All products that have been uploaded will appear here. And there's also the option to open it and saving dimensions. That way our software knows better about the proportions of each product. And there's also the option to create folders by clicking here on the left-hand side. After creating a folder, you can select images and move them there. All generated images are stored in the main directory of the history. Here you can view them and see which app was used, open it, see which input images have been uploaded, and also what prompt has been used. Here it's also possible to view the generated image once again and re-download it if needed. If you've already downloaded the image before, it won't cost anything again to re-download it.